Is the AI bubble finally giving us tools that actually change how we work, or is it just more noise? Ludo.ai claims to be the answer for game developers in 2026, bundling everything from sprite sheets to market analysis into one Chrome tab. We dove deep into their official site to separate the game changers from the gimmicks. Ludo.ai is not a single tool. It is a suite designed to cover the entire pre-production and production pipeline. Visually, the site highlights the sprite generator, which animates custom 2D characters in seconds, and the image generator, which handles concept art and UI textures. But the deeper you scroll, the more specific the tools get. The 3D asset generator is a major selling point. It creates unique 3D models from descriptive text, supporting multiple download formats, effectively acting as a 3D printer for ideas. Ludo.ai offers 4 distinct tiers, starting with Indie at $15 per month billed annually, which gives you 5 active projects and 250 monthly credits. Tier Hat Rollover, designed for individuals wanting to turbocharge their workflow. The Pro plan jumps to $35 monthly billed annually, unlocking unlimited projects, unlimited ideation and image generation, 1,000 asset generation credits, API access with 1 concurrent request, and premium support, which perfect for solo developers who need unlimited freedom. The Studio tier is priced at $175 per month annually, where you effectively pay for 5 users but get 10, a massive 10,000 credit pool for assets, real-time collaboration, and 5 concurrent API requests, clearly aimed at professional studios. Finally, Enterprise requires contacting sales for custom integrations. See you later, guys.